Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix code violet game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just have to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first and hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings and tap on save data and game or app settings. Then select save data PS5. After that, select console storage and tap on delete option. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Choose current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software. Here select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select code wallet and then click on restore, and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select code wallet game. If you are using PS Plus Cloud, then select download or delete from cloud storage and then select code wallet game. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 first and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next is to reinstall code wallet game. First, highlight code wallet on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and then install code wallet again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.